Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really good, really well. This is Manisha Jha, your teacher, and today we are going to learn about solid, liquid and gas. So learning objectives are here: matter, changes in states of matter. So if we look around, we will see different things like trees, birds, tables, chairs, bags, pencils, etc. These things can be either living or non-living. They may have different shapes, sizes and colors, but they have one thing in common. They all have mass and occupy space. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. कोई भी चीज़ जो जिसमें mass होता है, जो occupy करता है space को, उसे matter कहा जाता है. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. मैटर जो है वो टाइनी पार्टिकल से बना होता है, जिससे मॉलिक्यूल कहा जाता है. मॉलिक्यूल्स आर सो टाइनी दैट दे कैन नॉट बी सीन विद नेकेड आइज. मॉलिक्यूल्स इतने छोटे होते हैं, इतने टाइनी होते हैं कि उन्हें हम नेकेड आइज से देख ही नहीं सकते. मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. मॉलिक्यूल्स आर फर्दर कंपोज्ड ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स कॉल्ड एटम्स. एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ मैटर. एटम्स को स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ मैटर कहा जाता है. सो नाउ इट स्टेट्स ऑफ matter. So matter is classified into three states: solid, liquid and gas. In three forms में matter को divide किया गया है, classify किया गया है. So अब आते हैं solid पर. A solid is a kind of matter that has fixed shape and does not flow at a given temperature. It occupies a definite space, hence it has a definite volume. The molecules in solids are very closely packed. टेबल, चेयर, मोबाइल, ट्री एक्सेट्रा आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सॉलिड. ये सभी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं सॉलिड के. इसके बाद आ जाते हैं most solids are hard but some are soft also. The shape of some of the solids can also be changed by pressing or using a little force. For example, we can make clay toys by pressing it. We can press a rubber ball also. Fact to know: all metals are solid except mercury. Mercury is liquid at room temperature and it is used in thermometer. So liquid. A liquid is a kind of matter that does not have its own shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. The molecules are loosely packed in liquids, therefore molecules can move from one place to another. That is why liquids can flow from higher level to a lower level. They have a definite volume but not a definite shape. इसका definite volume ज़रूर होता है लेकिन इसका definite shape नहीं होता. So milk, juice, oil, water, kerosene etc. are some examples of liquid. So बच्चों अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक्टिविटी पर आ जाते हैं. एक्टिविटी करके देख लेते हैं. टेक हाफ लीटर मिल्क एंड पोर इट इनटू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंटेनर्स. यू कैन टेक अ ग्लास, बॉटल, टम्बलर और बकेट. What do you find? You will find that each time the milk changes its shape and takes the shape of the container, but its volume remains the same. What does this show? This shows that liquid has fixed volume, but they do not have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. फिर आ जाते हैं गैस पर. So like liquids, gases also flow and do not have their own shape. Gases too can take the shape of the container. The molecules are far apart in gases, therefore molecules can move freely from one place to another. That is why gases have a tendency to occupy the whole space available to them. Gases neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, argon etc. are some examples of gases. ये सभी gases के कुछ examples हैं. अब आते हैं changes in states of matter पर. The three states of matters are interchangeable. Water is the most common example for it. At room temperature, water exists in its liquid state, but it is heated, it becomes vapor, that is its gaseous form state. When it is cooled, it becomes ice, that is its solid state. So students, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर किस तरीके से पहले ice, then solid, ice पहले heat हुआ water में, फिर वो गैस फॉर्म में बन जाता है, फिर स्टीम गैस जो है वो वाटर लिक्विड में और फिर कन्वर्ट होके वो आइस सॉलिड में चला गया. तो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Like water, most other substances too change their state when they are heated or cooled. जैसे water अपने state को change कर देता है, और भी कुछ substances हैं जो change होते हैं. But the temperature at which they change their state is different from different substances. When a solid is heated, its molecules loosen up and it melts and changes into a liquid. This process is called melting. इस process को melting कहा जाता है. When a liquid is heated, the molecules become free and the liquid changes into a gas or vapor. This process is called evaporation. So when vapor is cooled or condensed, its molecules come closer and vapor changes back into the liquid. This process is called condensation. Then when a liquid is cooled, its molecules come even more closer and liquid changes into solid. This process is called freezing. So students, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब आते हैं fact to know पर. Substances like camphor directly change from solid into vapor. This is known as sublimation. Skill test. बच्चों, इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. आगे बढ़ते हैं और अब आ जाते हैं solubility पर. So, the substance which get dissolved in liquid are called soluble substances. वो substance जो easily liquid में जाकर dissolve हो जाते हैं उन्हें soluble substance कहा जाता है. For example, salt and sugar, whereas the substances which do not dissolve in liquid are called insoluble substances. For example, sand and chalk. ये वो substances होते हैं जो dissolve नहीं हो पाते liquid में, इसलिए इन्हें insoluble substances कहा जाता है. अब आ जाते हैं solute, solvent and solution पर. There are many things that dissolve easily in liquids. The substances that dissolve in a liquid are called solutes. For example, salt and sugar, whereas the liquid in which a substance solute dissolves is called a solvent. For example, water and milk. A mixture obtained by dissolving a solute in a solvent is called a solution. Most of the solutes can dissolve in water. That is why water is known as universal solvent. So बच्चों, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और आ जाते हैं क्विक ब्रश अप पर. So anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. A solid changes into a liquid by melting. A liquid changes into a gas by evaporation. A gas changes into a liquid by condensation. A liquid changes into a solid by freezing. A substance that dissolves in a liquid is called solute, whereas a liquid that dissolves solute is called solvent. A mixture obtained by dissolving a solute in a solvent is called a solution. So students, I hope you have understood each and every detail of this chapter. अब आप इसके एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस में जो क्वेश्चंस दिए गए एक्सरसाइज में उसकी प्रैक्टिस आप चैप्टर की मदद से खुद से करते रहिएगा.